Hey everyone, today we'll be checking out our agency's events tab, which is where you can plan, organize, create, and invite people to volunteering events like a day to clean up trash at the beach. To manage your events, head over to the Events tab in your agency manager. From here, you can click on either the Add New Event button, or if you haven't made an event before, the Create New Event button. Now we're going to click on the Add New Event button, and now we're prompted to go ahead and fill out some basic information, such as the title, description, start date, end date, and the zip code. Once you've filled out your basic information, you can click Create Event. Once you've navigated back to the Events tab, now we can go ahead and both turn all of our events into nice and easy to understand Excel spreadsheets. We can go ahead and export everyone who's RSVP'd to this event, and we can go ahead and also edit and delete them, as well as view them. Let's view our event. Here's our event here, and this is what other people will see. This is also a shareable link, so we can go ahead and share this link to other people, both by copying it here. We can LinkedIn share it, we can tweet it, or we can share it on Facebook, as well as through any other social media platform we could desire. With all that being said, that's it for the Basic Events tab. Thanks for watching.